Hello everyone. In this series of videos, BNS vs IPC, today, I am going to discuss an important aspect of criminal law that deals with legal protections for individuals acting on court orders. So, for the same, we'll specifically explore Section 16 of the BNS and corresponding Section 78 of the IPC. Both sections provide crucial safeguards for those who act in accordance with court judgments or orders, even if the court lacked jurisdiction. Understanding these provisions is essential for both legal practitioners and individuals navigating the judicial system. So, first, let's start by discussing the core principle of both BNS Section 16 and IPC Section 78. IPC Section 78 states, "Any act done in pursuance of or warranted by a court's judgment or order is not an offense, provided the judgment or order remains in force and the person acting in good faith believes the court had jurisdiction." BNS Section 16 literally follows the provision, "There is no change at all." Likewise, both provisions protect individuals from criminal liability if they act based on a court order, even if that court lacked jurisdiction. This protection is based on the good faith belief that the court had the authority to issue the order. For example, imagine a company executive who, under the direction of a court order, disposes of certain assets, only later to find out that the court which issued the order did not have jurisdiction over the case. Both BNS Section 16 and IPC Section 78 would protect the executive from criminal charges for acting on that order, as long as the executive believed in good faith that the court had the necessary authority. Now the question is, what is scope of protection? Protection for actions based on court orders. Both provisions BNS Section 16 and IPC Section 78 cover all actions taken pursuant to a court's judgment or order, and emphasize that such actions are not considered offenses as long as the court's decision remains in force and the person acted in good faith. Likewise, both sections ensure that individuals are protected from criminal liability when they act based on court orders. This helps maintain respect for the legal process and judicial authority. For example, consider a police officer who executes a search warrant issued by a magistrate. If it is later discovered that the magistrate did not have the proper jurisdiction, both BNS Section 16 and IPC Section 78 would protect the officer from facing criminal charges, provided the officer acted in good faith. Now, let's understand good faith belief in jurisdiction. The concept of good faith belief in the court's jurisdiction is central to both sections. Both BNS Section 16 and IPC Section 78 specify that immunity applies even if the court lacked jurisdiction, as long as the individual acted in good faith, believing the court had the necessary authority. Likewise, both sections emphasize the importance of an individual's good faith belief in the court's jurisdiction. This provision safeguards those who comply with court orders without knowing of any jurisdictional flaws. For example, imagine a lawyer who submits documents to a court that is later found to be improperly constituted. As long as the lawyer acted under the genuine belief that the court had jurisdiction, both BNS Section 16 and IPC Section 78 would provide protection against criminal liability. Moreover, it can be concluded as Section 16 of the BNS and Section 78 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, provide identical legal protections for individuals acting in accordance with a court's judgment or order. These provisions ensure that individuals are not held criminally liable for actions taken under the authority of a court's decision, even if the court lacked jurisdiction, as long as the person acted in good faith believing the court had jurisdiction. This legal protection is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the judicial process and ensuring that individuals can follow court orders without fear of prosecution. By including these provisions, both the BNS and IPC emphasize the importance of good faith and adherence to judicial authority, upholding the rule of law and the proper administration of justice. That is all for this video. Hope you understood the provision with comparative analysis clearly. However, if you have any query, you can ask through the comment box given below. And, if you liked the video and want more such interesting videos, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.